Just have a seat, sir. I got you. You ready? Okay. Calling case number 23002588101FH. Pretrial 23002754001FH. Pretrial 23004909001FH. Pretrial 2300626.
Leave the courtroom now.
Recalling 23004909001FH. Pretrial 23006266601FH. Pretrial 23006386001FH. Pretrial 23006387001FH. Violation hearing 24002032001FH. Pretrial 24002036001FH. Pretrial 24002040101FH. Pretrial. Sean Orsetti appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. APA Lori Morales Smith, the 83353 for the people.
Good morning.
Mayor, please sit down. Reporter Don Tucker Davis, P59229, representing Mr. Rossetti on 3 cases.
Good morning.
Our goal is P28078 on behalf of Mr. Rossetti and the rest of the cases.
Good morning. NDOC.
Good morning, Your Honor. Agent Van, Michigan Department of Corrections.
Good morning. Stand, sir, and state your name for the record, please.
Sean Douglas Rossetti.
All right. Today is scheduled as a pretrial on many of the cases and a final pretrial on some. Someone has given me a request for a cops evaluation.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. See you in the jury room. Yeah. Okay, I think I got it. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Yeah, I
You have to go back?
yeah.
I can go back. Don't worry. I all the time.
Yep.
Thanks, Lee. Yes, sir. What night is it? Yes, sir.
Sorry about that.
And I have a 10 o'clock Zoom. I can either stay or do whatever you tell me to do. Whatever you say.
If he's here, you won't be within the next 2 or 3 people.
So you can go outside for a minute?
Yeah, you got enough time right now. She's gonna be in here for about 5 minutes.
Whatever it is.
All right, just come right back.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, then we got, no, I'm talking to the deputy.
Good to see you. Thank
Erwin Sanchez, he checked in too, right? And Daniel Smith. And this one, Sean, you checked in.
Daniel Smith?
Yep.
Are you good?
No, no, no.
Good? Yeah, he said.
All right. He present 2 pounds, she did, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Jackson?
Yes, Megan Moore and Real Jack.
Everybody else already checked in?
Good morning, your client here? Okay.
Hey, you getting Lane, Mr. Lane down for today?
Yeah. Oh, well, let me add. You all right, man?
Okay, I'm just making sure, cause
You free?
okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Huh? Uh-uh. And I accidentally put one of his cases down as a violation hearing. He don't have it. What's it?
You got so many things to do.
I know. Hello, weird. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up. Going back. I'm checking in. I'm checking in for the court.
What a beautiful Friday comment that is. Thank you so much.
I hope I vote somebody there.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Zara is here.
Okay. Is Womack here? Yeah.
Depending on what you're doing, right?
Did Terrell or Young's attorney check in?
They're gonna reduce it, he's gonna plead to it. She's not a rebate, they say that there's typically do that, they just.
Well, so you have a plea in the works.
It's going to be through,
He's going to plea.
and it's just open-ended, there's no sentence.
Right.
They say, she's 7 days for one waiver.
No, she usually get it.
Well, today I'll get it, like, it'd probably be in the fall or
Yeah, it'd
something.
be like a year, whatever, I don't know whatever term.
Well, it's a 1 year, but they say it can be renewed after something, so not, that's not the term. It can go away after.
Or share say. Like the probation. And then they agree to
So I can't just say, hey, can we come back in October or something? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'm not going
I'm just
anywhere.
saying, anything you either want to do.
The question is, will we be in a new building by then?
You know, the court says we should be, this courtroom should be there by 7.
7:29? I tried one last week. Yeah, last week. Yeah. So, and I think it's the last one I remember to try here, but everything's had, but maybe not. You're right. They keep. Talk to the depths, none of them believe that they're gonna move it at all. They don't believe it. None of them believe it's gonna happen because they keep moving it. And I'd like to say it, I think they should give terms for those of us. Nobody, I don't know where I'm gonna park, I don't know where. You're gonna be there more than I am. He's 40 hours a week, at least, probably more in the beginning. Remember the 4 hours? They're just like.
Are you good with that?
Well, if Mr. Rossetti executed it, I'll let you go first.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready. Or set.
We need to go in the box.
Yeah, can we do that?
Can you put them in the box?
Beside the door. Mr. Arraignment,
Attorney McGraw is trying to move her head.
can we go right up beside the door there?
He's already.
Woman.
Okay. He's here. He's right there. He comes to you.
Yes.
All right, so we're good. It was
Court is back in session. Court is back in session. Page 19.
Court is back in session. We're back on the record for a second.
Yes.
That was just the Peter. Yes. We're back on the record for Arcetti.
All right, have you had an opportunity to discuss the concept evaluation? Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge, we have had the opportunity to discuss this matter with Mr. Orsetti. To him, that if he pleads no contest to each of his cases, that Your Honor would give him no more than 2.5 to 10 years to run concurrent with one another. And he understands that that's the offer in this matter. It's his desire to enter no contest to each of these charges.
Counselor?
the correct statement, Your Honor.
All right, do we have the,
Your Honor, if I could just have a few minutes to write all those up, I would be more than happy to comply.
all right, we'll be in recess of this case until so that the plea is written up. You can take your study back. We'll be ready.
You can hold on. Okay. Party for Gettner. That's what we had the day before yesterday. He had a calendar conference. They haven't sent me a file.
All right.
And then you, yeah, I did request it.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the one we had on phone. You told him to come in today. Calling case number 2400229201 FC, Casey Getner, pretrial appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jacob Bloomers on behalf of the people, P77307.
Good morning.
Amadeo, P76194, Mr. Kettner, please state name for Judge Evans or staff, prosecuting this matter is you.
I need everyone to speak up.
Casey Gardner.
Spell your last name, sir. So, do you hold the arraignment yet?
No, Judge, this is the arraignment.
This is an arraignment.
We'll waive a formal reading of the information, stand mute. Your Honor.
This is a gentleman that was in Washington County.
That's correct.
All right. The court will enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. Has there been an offer in this matter?
Not yet, Judge. I would state for the record that there is a parallel case in Washington County involving the same victim and similar allegations, and that is a factor in possible offer.
Your Honor, that matter is still in our district court in Washington. So the acceptable idea is for a pre-trial, maybe 30 days to see where that matter stands, then we have to set for trial. Because that's acceptable to you, Judge.
Well, I'm gonna set dates today. And you work those other matters in to the dates that I'm setting today.
Yes, sir.
The exam was waived on April the 19th. Motions shall be filed no later than June the 12th. The final conference will be June the 20th.
Judge, I am going to be on parental leave from May 20th until July 1st.
Well, I cannot put this out for the final conference now. You're gonna have to get a colleague to do the final conference. How am I gonna put this out to July?
Well,
This is not a trial date. This is just the regular dates.
Understood, Your Honor. I mean, I just, given that the defendant is out of custody now, I would ask that it get adjourned to July for that conference date.
Can you send someone here for the final conference?
I will get someone to cover it, Judge. I'm just putting that on the record.
Thank you. I won't set a trial date today, but at least let us have the final conference date to stay on track. The template kicks out July 17th for the jury trial date. We'll hold that in advance, and you'll be back when, Attorney Bloomer?
I'll be back July 1st. I am already scheduled to be in trial. Well, I actually have 2 trials scheduled for the.
Your Honor, my wife is due July 25th, so I don't know if we're doing a July trial or not, but I have no problem with the June dates, obviously. I'd like to coordinate with people and yourself for trial dates if that's something later.
Yeah, I'm gonna set a trial date later, but I will set a pre-trial after the final conference, and you'll be back when, Attorney Bloomer?
July 1st, Judge.
Give me a, not that week, give me a. What we got? Yeah, what date? This would be a final pre-trial right before a trial date. And this is the date we'll set a trial date.
Understood. Thank you, Your Honor.
The second week of July.
July 10th.
How is July 10th?
Good for the people.
Good for us, Your Honor. Would that be 9 a.m.?
9 a.m. In person. I assigned a reciprocal discovery order, or I haven't because I don't have one. I'm signing a reciprocal discovery order. Bond continues.
Thank you.
All right. Anything else needed?
Nothing from the fence, Judge.
That concludes this matter.
Parties for White,
Ready, Your Honor. Hi, Bill.
What's the lady's name in, Robinson?
oh, Barbara Robinson, you took, up there,
Yeah,
Barbara Robinson.
send her an email.
Okay, I think I need to contact Lisa and them, they never initiated the file for case initiation. Cause we never got the AOI file. Yeah. No, this is White, yes.
Ready.
Calling case number 2400112801 FH White, final conference appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. APA Lori Morella Smith, PA 3353 for the people.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. David Lee appearing on behalf of Mr. White, who for the record is present and standing here at the podium to my right, Your Honor.
Good morning. State your name for the record, sir.
Daryl White.
Today is a date set for a final conference. I see that you all have reached a resolution in this matter. Let's swear Mr. White in, please.
Raise your right hand, Mr. White. Follow the clerk's instructions.
Do you solemnly swear and affirm that the testimony you're about to give and the matter now pending before the court will be the truth?
Yes.
You may put your hand down.
Please place the offer on the record.
Your Honor, the defendant would plead no contest to the count 2 domestic violence, statutory maximum of 93 days in jail. The people will dismiss count 1, assault with intent to great bodily harm less than murder. Sentence agreement would be 1 year probation under MCL 7694A, deferred sentence, no objection to early termination, no contact with the complainant, and terms and conditions as set by this court.
What's the reason for the no contest plea?
Civil, threat of civil
To avoid,
liability, yes, Your Honor.
is that your understanding of the offer?
It is, Your Honor, and he wishes to avail of himself. I offer him not for barred here, Judge.
Mr. White, are you under the influence of any substance or medication today?
No,
Please take your hands out of your
I'm
pocket
sorry.
and don't fold them. That's fine. Can you read and write and understand the English language?
Yeah, well, I'm hard here. He's, can I translate here?
No.
He's hard here, Your
Just a
Honor.
moment. Just a moment. Can you read and write and understand the English language?
Yes,
What's the highest grade that you completed in school?
10,
Did you go over the settlement offer with your lawyer?
yeah,
And did you sign and date it today's date, May 3rd, 2024?
yes,
Sir, do you understand that by accepting this offer today, you are giving up certain constitutional rights? You're giving up, did you hear me? Okay. You're giving up your right to have a trial by jury, your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. You're giving up your right to have the prosecution prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt on each and every element of the charges against you. You're giving up your right to have the witnesses against you to appear at the trial and to question those witnesses. Sir, you are giving up your right to have this court order any witnesses that you may have to appear. Any witnesses that you may have for your defense to appear at the trial. And you're giving up your right to remain silent at the trial and to not have that silence used against you. Sir, you are giving up your right to testify at the trial if you want to. And sir, you are also giving up your right to appeal to the Michigan Court of Appeals. Instead, you will have to apply to the Michigan Court of Appeals for leave to appeal. And you are waiving any defenses that you may have. Mr. White, there will be fines and costs that I assess against you at the time of sentencing. Sir, are you satisfied with your lawyer's representation of you and that he's operating in your best interest?
Yes.
And sir, you are also giving up any claim that this no contest plea is a result of promises or threats not disclosed to the court today. And you're giving up any claim that it was not your choice to enter into this plea today. Mr. White, has anyone promised or threatened you with anything to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
And are you pleading guilty willingly or no contest? Willingly?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest willingly,
Yes.
voluntarily,
Yes.
and knowingly?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole now?
No.
Do the lawyers know of any other promises or threats other than what's written here?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, please, for dear Mr. White, to us that, what are you using for the no contest, please? And I need a copy of it.
We'll be using the information in the investigator's report.
I need the information, I need the investigator's report.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Yes. I approach you.
You may approach.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
You may proceed.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Before the-
Actually, I can. On December 21st, 2023, the defendant was at the location 17874 Dennis Street in the city of Brownstown, County of Wayne, state of Michigan, at which time he encountered Amanda Christine Emerson. At that time, he did make an assault upon her person, who was a former resident of his household. And he did knowingly make that contact at that time and put her in fear of an assault. People are satisfied.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court will accept the plea. The no contest plea was scheduled this for a sentencing date of 6/6. How was June 6th?
Your Honor, you said June sixth?
Yeah. How was
Well,
June?
does he do a pre-sentence report also in this matter, even though it's a misdemeanor, you want it?
Yes, I do.
No problem. We'll see on June sixth.
No,
Thank you, Judge.
Just a moment. The jury trial for May 31st is canceled. Now, today, Mr. White, you are gonna go over to the Clinton Street Probation Department. And if you don't know how to get over there, my deputies can give you a map. And on that map is the telephone number. They're going to interview you at some point and they will prepare a report for me. I must have that report on your sentencing date of June 6th. If you move or change your telephone number, you must contact the probation department immediately. Sir, if I do not have that report because of something you did, I am going to revoke your bond and put you in the Wayne County Jail until I get that report done. Is that understood?
Yeah, but you want to worry about that?
Wonderful. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
That concludes this hearing. We'll see
Thank you,
June
Judge. Good to see you
6th
this morning.
in person. You too, Counselor.
Thank you, Ms. Smith. I appreciate it.
Yes.
Are the parties for
Thank you.
Sanchez Earl ready?
I don't see the fund.
He's in the hall. Do what you have to tell you.
Are you with your attorney? Okay, I gotta wait until I find out. I'll call you back in a second. I'll call you up in a second. Are parties for John ready?
No, Your Honor, we need a few minutes on that one.
Parties for Daniel Smith ready?
Ready.
Calling case number 24000938801 Daniel Smith, final conference, appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor, APA Lori Merrill Smith, PA 3353 for the people.
Good morning.
And good morning, Luther Glenn, P 38683, appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith's substantial, right?
Good morning. State your name for the record, sir.
Daniel Schmitz, Your Honor.
Spell your last name for the record, please.
SCHMITZ.
Thank you. I see that you all have reached a resolution in this matter. Let's swear Mr. Schmidt in, please.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm that the testimony you're about to give in a matter now pending before the court will be the truth?
Yes.
You may put your hand down.
I need to make sure.
I think there's some confusion here. There is not a resolution in this matter.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have the plea agreement. No,
Is it signed?
it's not even a complete form. There is no resolution in this matter.
Right, right.
Oh. This is the final conference. What are we doing today? This is the pretrial, actually final pretrial, because we have a jury trial for May the 14th.
And my client has a letter, he has a surgery that's scheduled for the 8th. That he's brought documentation for. And I was going to ask the court for to continue this pretrial to the 10th. So, and I'll update on the status of the surgery. That he has for the 8th.
Can I see that?
Sure.
This is an outpatient procedure.
I'm not sure, Your Honor. I know they're going through my back.
Don't tell me what they're doing.
I'm not sure. It should not be outpatient. I'm not.
And that's why I was asking for the status conference on the 10th. So if it is outpatient and the nature of the rehab or whatever, I can apprise the court at that time.
All right, May 10th, 9 o'clock. Now, what is the offer in this matter?
The offer is to plead to a reduced charge of attempted weapons, dangerous weapon, brass knuckles, statutory maximum, 2.5
What count is
years.
that?
Sorry,
What count are we talking
count
about?
1, sorry.
Okay,
Count 2, people would dismiss count 2, weapons carrying concealed, as well as the commission to, with a motor vehicle. There is no sentence agreement.
all right. What are the guidelines in this case?
Guidelines doing 06 or 03.
We'll see you on May 10th.
Thank you very much.
All right.
The last one.
Oh. Yes. All right. I don't need that. No. Okay. I'm gonna take about, how much time do you need it?
Can I get at least 5 minutes?
Take about 5-minute recess. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I know. I'm so used to, one plea and 3 papers. I'm sorry. Oh, actually, I need that one back. That's the original. I think I'm the way.
Thank you.
Mr. Irwin, did you talk to your lawyer yet? He went back outside? Okay. Is the 9-year attorney on his way?
Yes, we can. Hate that noise. Great. And worse, yes. So you want to do something differently? Like, I can stop writing all of these right now. This is not mine.
She didn't distinguish that.
I gave Judge my list. You said Womack checked in, right? I gave him a highlight list.
You guys really said that on holiday night.
What's up? When you do that? I was asking about it. Never do that.
About to do a mass shakeup with the prosecutors too. Like they do, they always do it. Move the prosecutors around. Lawyer probably not gonna be in here no more. Nah, they do it like quarterly or twice a year. It's almost time. Lawyer, it's almost time for y'all to do a shakeup.
What are you saying?
Isn't it almost time for you guys to do a shakeup in the prosecutor's office?
Yes, it is
You told you?
imminent. Imminent, I tell you. They're discussing it now.
Uh-oh.
It's habitual. With mine. It's habitual for. Did you look up habitual? I don't have it.
You are. See what type of pressure I gotta put on my JA. And I gotta order this tree dropper. Y'all gotta let me know. But then I get it. So yeah, it will go. I got you. Yeah.